Good morning. I'm John Blankenship with Virginia Cooperative Extension, and I have with me here today Elizabeth Bennett with the Soil and Water Conservation District. We are here at Kimberly's greenhouse, who's one of our master gardeners that shared her pollinator garden to be able to come out and video some different pollinators in the garden.
Good morning, friends, and welcome to beautiful Kimberly's greenhouse here in Tazewell County down on the Pisgah Road. Join me this morning as we read along with Monarchs and Milkweed right here in her beautiful pollinator garden. Monarch and Milkweed by Helen Frost and Leonard Gore. In a patch of dirt behind an old red barn, milkweed stretches into warm spring air. Its roots reach deep and wide. Its stem points to the sky. Monarch spreads her wings and rides the wind, past white and yellow daisies, across a creek, heading north. Milkweed's new leaves push out. Then purple flowers, soft and round and fragrant. Monarch finds a dandelion, drinks its nectar and flies on. She stops again, rests, drinks and flies again. Milkweed stretches taller, 2 by 2. Its leaves spread wide, sheltering long-legged spiders, black and orange beetles. Monarch lights on milkweed drums, her feet on milkweed flowers, and tastes home. Milkweed's flowers fall away. Green pods push out. Inside these bumpy fists, new seeds are forming. Monarch finds a mate and stays with him all afternoon, all night, into the morning. Eggs in her body grow heavy. She searches for the milkweed plant. A breeze bends milkweed side to side. Monarch chooses its best leaf, swaying in the breeze with milkweed. She curls her body underneath the leaf and glues one pale yellow egg to its soft underside. She flies from milkweed plant to milkweed plant, stopping on each to lay one tiny, shiny egg. Inside Monarch's egg, a caterpillar forms, and 4 days later pushes out. Shorter than an eyelash, almost invisible against the leaf's pale green. It eats the shell that held it, then moves across the leaf. It eats the leaf it grows, and when it grows too big, it fits inside its skin. It crawls right out. The new skin already formed beneath the old. Yellow, black, and white. The monarch caterpillar feeds on milkweed's bitter leaves and grows. 4 times the caterpillar sheds its skin, and then one evening in late summer, it weaves a sturdy pad under the milkweed leaf, hangs upside down, and shapes its body like a J. Its feelers droop, and one last time it sheds its skin. It twists and turns and pulls its body up, transforming into a chrysalis. It hangs beneath the leaf a shining jewel, jade green speckled with gold. 12 days the monarch chrysalis shines in noontime shadows. 12 nights it waits under the moon and stars. It grows darker, gray, then black and orange as new monarch wings shine through. Early one morning, the chrysalis splits open. A new monarch steps out, moist wings pressed against her body. She clings to the clear case of the chrysalis as warm air dries her wings. She opens her wings, closes them, opens them wide. A light breeze lifts her as she flies. Milkweed's leaves, now full of holes, turn yellow, then brown. Their edges curl and they begin to fall. Monarch flies from purple zinnia to black-eyed Susan, drinking nectar, getting ready as the days turn cooler. She turns south towards warmer air to begin her longest journey. Milkweed's pods are full. Its seeds are almost ready in September sun. The pod's strong walls turn dry and brown. Monarch flies and rides the wind, stopping only long enough to drink sweet nectar from a field of purple asters. She follows the last flowers of summer as she flies on and on. Almost 2,000 miles away, all the way to Mexico. Milkweed's pods split open. Brown seeds lay close together on a soft white bed. October wind catches a silky tendril, opens it, and lifts a seed into the air, carrying it out and away across a river to an old white house. A kitten reaches up with its paw, bats the white fluff until it disappears. Rain comes, snow comes, rain comes again. The sun warms the earth warms the seed, and under the dirt it opens. Roots reach down. A tip of green presses out and up toward the warmth and light. Milkweed's first spring leaf unfurls. Far to the south in Mexico, Monarch rides the wind toward it. Talk about it.
Okay, thank you, Elizabeth, for joining us today. And here in the pollinator garden at Kimberly's greenhouse, Kimberly is one of our master gardeners with Virginia Cooperative Extension, and she has an array of different plants that have different pollinators that's their host. And today I want to kind of focus on the monarch butterfly. And earlier we found a couple monarch butterfly caterpillars. And if you look closely, there's one right here. This happens to be a silk milkweed. That's more of an ornamental milkweed that has a pretty flower, but it's also a host for the monarch. And here you will see another baby monarch caterpillar. There's many different types of pollinators that come to different host plants, and Kimberly has a great array of those here at her greenhouse in Tazewell County. Okay, here in the pollinator garden we found another pollinator. It's a bumblebee that's visiting some of the flowers and getting nectar.